Good morning and welcome to the Forex Market Wrap from Pepperstone. It's the 27th of July and I'm Darren Sinden. Let's take a look at overnight changes, any price moves to be aware of on the world's exchanges. And really I just want to draw your attention to a couple of big figure changes. The euro against the dollar now trading with a 117 handle, whilst cable, that's the British pound versus the US dollar, trades with a 131 handle. The euro is now up 1.9% on the week against the dollar, whilst the dollar itself, as expressed by dollar index, is now down 8.5% year to date. Let's have a look at the calendar and events that may move the market today. Data is really broken down into two tranches today. Around 12:30 GMT, we'll have a string of US data, including the Chicago Fed Activity Index, initial jobless claims. Durable goods is probably the most important item in that list. And then we have to wait really until this evening, where we'll see a long list of data from Japan, including consumer price index data, unemployment data, retail sales, and household spending. Let's take a look at breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. There really is only one story, and that was that the Fed decided to leave its interest rates unchanged, but it said that it will start to unwind its balance sheet relatively soon, and that could mean its September meeting, or at least it could tell us what its plans are at that point. On the back of that, gold traded to a 6-week high, whilst the US dollar fell to 14-month lows. The Aussie dollar has traded strongly again and has moved well above 80 against the US dollar. And this caught my eye particularly. Hungary has sold renminbi denominated bonds in China, just emphasising the international nature really of the world's capital markets. We talked about gold springing back. I just thought I'd pop this chart into the picture. A long-term weekly chart. We see a clear downtrend from this high back in 2012. We're just testing above that now after last night's move. So the question is gold springing back to life? One to ponder there. Okay, food for thought, something for you to take away with you into the trading day. We talked about the Hungarians raising Chinese denominated debt. And when we think about valuing currencies, we often tend to think about trade balances and consider those in terms of goods and services, but not always in government debt. The chart overleaf that's here shows, or sheds light I should say, on the ownership of government bonds across selected developed economies. And you can see the breakdown here. Just an example, the majority of Greek debt owned by foreign official sources, i.e. the ECB, and you can see how the spread breaks down here. So take a look at that and ponder that across the trading day. Thank you for your time. Please do take a moment, as always, to read the risk disclaimer. Trading CFDs and Forex on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks, please contact your Pepperstone account executive. We look forward to speaking to you tomorrow.